In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of setting up Viber privacy settings. If you're trying to make your account more private so that less people or unknown people cannot contact you, let me show you the few steps that you'll need to follow. First things first, open up the Viber app and then head over to the More option on the bottom right. Once you're inside of this section, head over to Settings. Now, once you're inside of these settings, the second option you'll see is Privacy. Now, these are all of the settings or the privacy settings that you can actually manage. The first one being the two-step verification, meaning that you can set up a two-factor authentication or a two-step verification in order for you to log in to your account of Viber. So if you create a PIN right here, you'll need to enter in this PIN in order to log into your account. Other than the verification option, there are a lot of options that you can choose. If you want to enable a certain option such as sharing online status, make sure that it is toggled on. If not, and if you want to turn it off, tap on it and then toggle or select this option off. So similar to this, you can just take a look at all of these options that are available. You can exactly know what this option is by reading the title. Also, beneath these sections, you have a few other options such as block list or hidden chats. This way you can block people that you don't want to contact, or you can also create hidden chats so that no other people would be able to view these chats. So that's the way that you set up the Viber privacy settings. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos.